Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we will discuss about two disk scheduling algorithms. One is look and another is clook. How it is implemented and what are the advantages it over the scan and scan algorithm. As we have shown previously that C-scan and scan both in the disk arm moves to the other end at extreme of 0 or 199. But reaching this 0 and 199, it incurs an extra overhead because there is no process remaining in 0 and 199. So the other variation of scan and C-scan is look and C-look, where it will go as far as the final request in one direction and then again it changes the direction and started servicing the request on the reverse way. For look, it will service the request while going back to the other end, and for C-look, it will just go to the other end as for the final request on the other end and then again it will move back. So it will move back and forth around the disk, but not for the extreme ends, only for the final request on the ends. So we will see that how a request at head 53 is done using look and C-look both algorithm and what are the total head movements comparison between these two type of algorithm. So first for look algorithm we are calculating, we will now move to the right end. From 53 to 65, then to 67, then to 98, then 122, 124, 183. Now after reaching this 183, it will move along with the reverse direction requesting the services that it will meet each cylinder. So the first cylinder it will reach is 37 while coming back from 183. Then it will reach 14. So now we will calculate the total head movement for the look algorithm. From 53 to 65, then 67, then 98, after that 122, after that 124, then to 183, then it is moving up to the 37 reversing its direction. And finally to 14. So the total head movement is 299. So it is definitely better than the scan and C-scan algorithm. And now we will see that how C-look is implemented just by not servicing the request of the 37 and 14 and going back it will service the request. So rather the idea is that look for the request while before moving the directions of the disk arm in the other end or the extreme end. First, from 53 we will move to 183 by servicing the request along all the way. From 53 to 65, then to 67, 298, 122, 124 and finally 183. Now while it coming back to the other hand, it will reach the final request on this left end, that is 14, but not servicing the request. Now when it comes back to 14, after it will reverse its direction and service the request along the way. So now we will calculate the total head movement. First from 53 to 65, then to 67, then to 98, then to 122, now to 124, 183. Now it is coming from 183 to 14. And finally 37. So the total head movement here is 312. So it is compared to C-scan, then it is better than the C-scan as it is avoiding this reaching 199 and 0. So this way the descheduling algorithms can help us to better implement the device drivers and the hardware to get control of the operating system performance. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.